Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain turkey calls. Wild turkeys possess a surprisingly rich vocabulary, utilizing around 28 distinct sounds to communicate with one another. Each of these unique vocalizations carries a specific message, from locating flock members to signaling danger. Understanding these calls is crucial for interpreting their behavior in the wild. Both male and female turkeys, known as gobblers and hens, have their own specialized calls, adding layers to their complex communication system. Hens use a variety of calls to interact. The yelp is a fundamental sound, typically a series of 2 to 8 notes, announcing a hen's general location. Clucks are short, single notes used to get attention or offer mild reassurance to nearby birds. When content, perhaps while feeding, hens often make soft, rolling purrs. For more excitement, they emit loud, sharp cuts, sometimes mixed with yelping, indicating a heightened state. Male turkeys or gobblers have their own distinct calls. The iconic gobble is a loud, rapid gurgling sound, primarily used to attract hens and assert dominance. Gobblers also yelp, though their version is a coarser, deeper yawk sound, signaling their location. During aggressive encounters, males emit loud, aggressive fighting purrs. Beyond vocalizations, gobblers also produce non-vocal sounds like drumming and spitting, which are key indicators of their presence. Interpreting turkey calls effectively requires understanding their context. The same call can mean different things depending on its volume, pitch, and cadence. For instance, a sharp, loud cluck, often called a putt, is a clear alarm signal indicating danger. Conversely, soft tree yelps are muffled calls made by birds still on the roost, communicating gently with their flock. Hens use loud, extended assembly yelps to gather their young or scattered flock members.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.